Hello friends, welcome in this sketchware tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to show you that how to turn lowercase letters to uppercase letters and uppercase letters to lowercase letters in sketchware. So at first I am creating an app naming letter. Here we go. Now here I am setting an edit text and two buttons. And um, now button 1 on click we have to create a new variable of string naming as, and button 1 on click set string to set string to text view get text read text 1, and then to uppercase and the um, text view set text to uppercase of edit text 1 to variable s, and button 2 on click set string s to text view get text edit text 1, and here to lowercase text view set text of edit text 1 to lowercase of variable s. Okay, now I'm running the app. Just wait a while till the app is being installed. So here you see the app was run successfully, and now the app is installing the app. Now the app is installed. Now here I am tapping some lowercase letters and tapping on this button. The letters are uppercase, and if I tap on this button the letters has turned to lowercase. So thank you for watching this video. You can subscribe this channel and you can like this video if you liked it, and please if you want, share these videos.